Teal green nga ba ang official color of the year 2026? Wala pang official statement ang Pantone kung ano nga ba talaga ang color of the year since nagka-countdown pa lang sila ngayon. Hindi pa sila nag-release ng official statement na teal green nga ang magiging color of the year for the year of 2026. Pantone is an American company na kung saan sila yung nagbibigay ng standard color every year para sa mga industry like graphic design, fashion trends, and manufacturing. But according sa Chinese Feng Shui, ngayong taong 2026, which is Year of the Horse, color blue po ang lucky color. Based on astrological trends, color blue po ang lucky color for the year 2026. It represents calmness, truth, confidence, and protection. Pero dahil nga year 2026 is Year of the Horse, consider na rin po na 3 of the lucky colors for the year is the vermilion red, emerald green, and gold. The vermilion red represents fire elements. Emerald green represents wood elements, which balances the fiery energy of the horse, while the gold symbolizes wealth and prosperity associated with the metal elements. Kaya sa taong 2026, kung gusto mong maging swerte daw, dapat magsuot kayo ng color blue, vermilion red or color red, emerald green, and gold. But for the paint industry naman, kung mahilig kayo magbago-bago ng pintura yearly, teal green po ang pinili nilang color. For some paint industries, pinipili po nila ang transformative teal. It is a mixed blue and aquatic green, while the Malaya teal naman ang specific color na pinili ng Davis Paint. So ngayon alam mo na wala pa talagang official statement kung ano yung magiging color of the year natin according to Pantone. Pero kung ikaw ang tatanungin, alin ang susundin mo? Si Pantone or ang Feng Shui? Yun lang, bye!